The NASDAQ is taking a hard hit this week. Let's bring in trader Alan Neckman. He's a chief market strategist at St. Paul Research. What's your take on the tumble?
Hello, Angie. Tech trouble, another Tuesday tumble, but stocks did come back to unchanged.
What's happening with your trades, Alan?
All right, let's talk about our current plays. Took profits, 50% gain on U.S. Steel with the dollar dive last Friday. So our current plays, we've got two in May, Lumber Liquidators and American Airlines. American Airlines is stuck around this 22 level. So we took half our profits already. Let's see if we can get some further extension of these gains or a breakout of this sideways range. June, Verizon, almost 100% on the second half. Well, we have Uber and SunPower, which are no-go right now. July positions. We've got Snap and TME, which have time. That's the key. And again, the second half of U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel is super strong and rallied up to $30.
What's your latest play? What's your new trade trigger?
All right, this week's trade trigger. Intelligent insiders see something in Intel. INTC is a play. Now let's remember, this is a company that has a PE of 10. All right, this stock has been stuck between 45 and 65 for a year. So this 55 midpoint is important to watch on a weekly basis as a support to see how it holds. We're also 15% off the top just 1 month ago, and we're still plus 15% in 2021. So let's look at this stock from a technical standpoint. A breakout of this range targets 85 on the upside. And again, we're leading on 55 on a weekly basis. We've seen this before. Last year, almost exactly at this time, we put on a position. April 28th, the stock went from 60 to 65. That was an 8% gain in the stock, but we saw a 50% gain in our in-the-money options play. So that's the strategy that pays. This time we're looking at the August 52.5 calls. Again, August is plenty of time, 3 full months. Look for this further development. Again, Intel has pulled back and hopefully it's looking to see if it can have a snapback attack.
Let's get those trading day takeaways, Alan.
All right, trading takeaway number 1, flip-flop on top. So now it's all about the Dow. Remember last year it was all about tech. So it's interesting to see this rotation. We saw 35,000 in the Dow on Monday, new all-time record there. Now what's the most interesting to see here is that the lagging stock sectors are now the leaders and the leaders are now lagging. So we've seen a turnover, which I look at as very, very healthy. Number 2, PPP, plus performance price. Let's talk about the S&P. The S&P is the market. It's on pace for 75 new all-time highs this year, which would be this close to the record. Now, the record is 77 all-time highs back in 1954 and 1995. So we're having a strong season, obviously. Let's see if we can continue this pace. And number 3, lucky 7. Of the top 7 S&P record years as far as making new highs, we've seen 0 out of those 7 times, 0 saw bear markets within 12 months. So past performance is not indicative of future results, but it is very impressive.
Alan, always a pleasure to get your trader talk. Thank you.
Thank you.